Welcome to the Skill Builder at a Glance tutorial on learning from lectures. University lectures introduce you to the most up-to-date core knowledge, the views, theories and evidence surrounding a module topic. The following tips will help you make the most from each one. Firstly, prepare. Go into your lecture knowing its relevance to your module, for example, your course outlines, seminar topics and assignments. Carry out any essential background reading and study any advanced lecture slides provided. Secondly, go ready and equipped. Turn up on time, fit and alert and armed with a laptop or notepad and whatever else you may need. Thirdly, stay focused. Lectures at the university are usually recorded, so there's no need to record or take photos of slides. Instead, listen. To help you keep track of the structure, actively listen out for phrases such as "my next point is" or near the end, "in conclusion," which will tell you that the lecturer is about to summarise the key points they've made. Fourthly, write as you listen. As you listen to the lecturer, write down the key terms, definitions, theories, authors and key points or arguments being discussed. Circle any words you don't understand for future clarification and use initials and other shorthand devices to help you write fast. Fifthly, don't be afraid to ask questions. When the opportunity arises, formulate your question carefully, listen to, acknowledge and note down the reply. So, to sum up, to get the most from lectures, prepare, go ready and equipped, listen and stay focused, make good notes and don't be afraid to ask questions. For further academic skills resources, including an at-a-glance tutorial on note-making, or to book an appointment with an SAS advisor, please go to www.kent.ac.uk/SAS or email us at sas@kent.ac.uk. Thank you.